healthy, good, and also happy. So today we are going to learn about simple past tense. Do you know what is simple past tense? Yeah, simple past tense is the tense that used to say something that already happened or already done. For example, like you go to the market last week. So because it is already happened, you have to use simple past tense. Because you go to the market last week, you have to change the verb go become verb to. What is the verb to of go? Yeah, the verb to of go is went. So you can say, I went to the market last week. So that is about simple past tense. Just remember the keyword past. Past. Yeah, the activity has been done or already happened. So that's all about the simple past tense. And now I would like to explain to you about the verb itself. Do you know how many verb actually? How many kind of verb? Yeah, there are two kinds of verb, the regular verb and also irregular verb. For regular verb, you just have to change the verb 1 become verb 2 only by adding the word ed at the end of the word. For example, like play, played, played. So when you say play become, you change the play become verb 2, you have to add the word ed at the end of the word. So play, played, played. Yeah, that's about the regular verb. So how about the irregular verb? Irregular verb is usually verb that change. It's totally different altogether from the verb 1, verb 2 and verb 3 are different. The words are different. For example, like go, went, gone. Go, went, gone. So from all those verbs, verb 1, verb 2 and verb 3 are different. The words are different. So that's about the irregular verb. Yeah, I hope you understand about the explanation about regular verb and irregular verb. So just remember, for the regular verb, you just have to add the word by ed at the end of the word. But for the irregular verb, you have to remember from the verb 1 until verb 3 because all of those verbs are totally different, such as go and gone, draw, drew, drown, and etc. So that's all about regular and irregular verb. So now Miss Noman would like to explain to you about the formula about the simple past tense. Just keep attention to Miss Noman.
Well, students, you can see the examples of the simple past tense. Here, there are three sentences over here. For the first one is the positive sentence. For the second one is the negative sentence. And the last one is the interrogative sentence. For the first one, it is the positive sentence. John got a prize yesterday. Let's re-identify. John is the subject, got is the verb to, and a prize is the object, and yesterday is the signal time. So here, the verb is using verb to. And then the next one is about the negative sentence. John did not get a prize yesterday. Let's re-identify. John is the subject, did not is the negative one, and get is the verb 1, prize is the object, and yesterday is the signal time. And then after that is the interrogative sentence. Did John get a prize yesterday? Yeah, we have to put the did in the first of the sentence. After that, we can put the subject. Who is the subject over here? The subject is John. After that, we have to put the verb. The verb here is verb 1. And then after that, apprise the object and also the signal time. The signal time here is yesterday. So students, in the simple past tense, when you are going to make the negative sentence, you have to use did. Yeah, you have to use did before not. And then after that, when you want to make the interrogative sentence, you have to put the did in front of the sentence. And just remember, when you make the negative sentence and also interrogative sentence, don't forget to use verb 1. Why? Because here did is already the verb 2. So we have to use the verb after that is verb 1.
Okay, that is the explanation about the simple past tense. And now, do you know what you have to do? But before I explain you about what you have to do, now I want to ask you, do you have any dictionary at home? Yeah, if you have dictionary at home, please take it and find the regular and also irregular verb. After you find it, don't forget, this is your duty. You have to write over here. See, here is your duty. For the first, you have to find 10 regular verb and also 10 irregular verb. For all of this, you have to write the verb 1, verb 2 and also the meaning for the regular verb and also for the irregular verb. After you find 10 regular verbs and also 10 irregular verbs, you have to make the sentences. And when you're making the sentences, don't forget to take the verb from the table. Yeah, you have to use the verb that already written by you. So you have to choose the verb that is in the table. Okay, I think that's all the explanation. Don't forget to do your worksheet and don't forget to check it before you submit it to your teacher. Don't forget, here there are 10 questions about the sentences. For each question, you have to make it in the positive, negative, and also interrogative. For the verb itself, you have to take the verb from the table. Okay, I think that's all the explanation from Miss Nyoman. Thank you very much. Bye.